Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize the graphic settings on the Green Hell game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Green Hell PC game on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, go ahead and click on Options. Then within the Options page, go into Graphics, and now you will see various different options that you can change. Now first of all, make sure the correct resolution is chosen. And if you notice any screen tears within your game, you will need to turn on VSync. You can choose from various different kinds of anti-aliasing methods, and at first it is recommended to use the highest texture quality and the very high quality preset if your device supports it. Try leaving the rest as they are, and then click on Accept. Now after you apply your changes, you can now test out how your new settings feel by launching your game. If you don't notice any issues, and if your game is running smoothly, then you don't need to make any more changes. Otherwise, you will need to go back into the graphic options and then try reducing the quality preset by one step. You may also try reducing the shadow and the object draw distance, and by following this pattern, you can find an optimal balance of performance and quality for your device. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to optimize the graphic settings on the Green Hell PC game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.